Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Last time I shared with you guys my very first BarryM nail polish haul. And in today's video, I'll be swatching 3 nail polishes from BarryM's Crystal Rock Textured Nail Paint. And they are Fluorite, Purple Agate, and Pink Tourmaline. Now let's start swatching. I'm applying 2 coats of my favorite peel-off base coat. Then, I'm applying a layer of white nail polish. You can totally skip this part if you want. I'm just doing this to help prevent staining. Plus, I'm gonna be keeping this nail polish for a week or so. First, let's swatch Fluorite. Now for the second coat. Fluorite has a gorgeous glittery teal shade with an undertone of green. And it's also holographic depending on the lighting. Second shade is Purple Agate. Now for the second coat. Purple Agate has a deep glittery plum shade with gold and olive green kinda glittery shift. And lastly we have is Pink Tourmaline. Pink Tourmaline has a vibrant hot pink shade with golden glitters. This 3 has a very strong glitter texture. If you're not a fan of textured polishes, you can smooth it out with a thick top coat. Loving the round brush type of these nail polishes. And 2 coats is enough to flaunt its beautiful glittery textured finish. BarryM nail polishes are vegan and cruelty free. It's in a 10 ml bottle. Bought this at BarryM PH is Shopee. 1 Crystal Rock textured nail polish is 249 pesos. If you enjoyed today's swatch and review video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!